Hi, it's John, and today in meditation I felt called by nature to come and sit in the grass and sit with my bare feet touching the ground to clear and calm and ground into Mother Earth. And I felt the sun kiss my eyelids as they were closed, and I felt the arms of Mother Nature wrap around my heart, around my body, around my soul. And as the river next to me flowed, I felt time slow down. And it's beautiful to calm and slow my body, just to breathe, just to be. It's so beautiful. We are part of nature. We are nature. We are one with this planet. The more time we spend with it, the calmer and happier we are. Just like these seagulls. Thank you so much for watching. Sending my love from England. I love you.